Yes, good afternoon to all. Yes, concentrate. Is the screen visible to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is there on the screen? क्या है स्क्रीन में?
MCQ.
हाँ, MCQ on unit number 2.
4.
4.
Okay. Okay, we will discuss unit MCQs. Okay, on this unit there will be unit test 3 for you. Okay. Okay. So one by one, you have to give answer. Answers mark हो गए क्या? Okay, ठीक है, no problem. Okay. At least you have to go through all the MCQs. Okay. First one, the study of something without making the actual contact. Without making the actual contact, physical contact with the object of the study is, yes, what is that one? GPS, triangulation, labeling, or remote sensing? Remote sensing. Okay. Remote sensing is what? It is the study of something or study of the object without making actual contact with the object. Next, dash is the spatial data handling system. Spatial data handling system. Which one? GIS, GPS, remote sensing, and EDM. GIS. Okay, you should know all the expansion of these terms. Can you tell me what is GIS? Geographical
Information
System. Then GPS?
Global
Positioning System. Then RS?
Remote
sensing.
Then what is EDM? Stop हो गए? Huh? Electronic distance measurement. Okay. It is electronic distance measurement. Okay. Then objectives of GIS. Just close your mobiles first. Objectives of GIS. First one, maximize the efficiency of decision making and planning. Yes, this is one of the objective. Then provide the efficient means of data distribution and handling. Yes, this is also one of the objective of GIS. Then to work from part to a whole. Is it the objective of the GIS? No, it is the objective of which one? Surveying. Okay. So apart from third one, only A and B are correct answer. Then hardware, software, data, and people. These are the components of GPS, RS, GIS, total station. GIS. Okay. You have studied GPS, you have studied RS, you have studied GIS. What is this total station? So total station is an advanced technical instrument which is used in the surveying. So this instrument will do all the survey work which we are carrying on the ground, like your plan, that is the plane table surveying, shine surveying, theodolite surveying, tachymetric surveying है ना. So वो सभी का काम एक ही काम करते हैं, this total station. Okay, this is advanced instrument which we are using in our surveying laboratory. The cost of this instrument is 5 lakh rupees. Okay, only one instrument. If you study this total station, all the entire surveying work will come under this one only. Okay, this is the advanced instrument. Then fifth one, it is the most popular and widely used in GIS software. Map information, ArcGIS, XP, all of the above. So this one you have to make a note, ArcGIS. Okay, this is the most popular and widely used GIS software. GIS software. Write in your notebook, all of you. Write down. Okay. ये मैंने theory class में नहीं पढ़ा है, but this question may come in your exam. Yes, all of you. Write down this one. Dash is the most popular and widely used GIS software. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. ArcGIS. Okay. This is the name of the software. Like you are going to study in the next semester. There is a C programming is there, C++ is there, Python is there, Java is there. Okay. Similarly, this is one of the software in which we are using in GIS. Then next sixth one is dash and dash are open source and free GIS softwares. Okay. So that is map information and ArcGIS, OGIS and GRASS, that is GRASS, map information QGIS, ArcGIS and QGIS. So directly remember OGIS and GRASS. These are the free software, free GIS software. Write down this one. Dash and dash are open source and free GIS software. Open source and free GIS software. Answer is OGIS and GRASS. OGIS and GRASS. Okay. Next. Green buildings are designed to reduce the carbon emission, use of non-conventional energy, use of local available building material, all of the above. So what are the green buildings? So these are the buildings which emits less carbon emission and use non-conventional energy materials and use locally available building materials. Answer is all of the above. Okay. Next, salient features of the green buildings: minimal disturbance to the landscapes and site condition, use of recycled and environmental friendly building materials, use of non-toxic and recycled or recyclable materials, use of energy efficient and eco-friendly materials, equipments. What are the answer? All are the answer. Okay. So all of these are correct answer. Then global positioning systems is a network of following number of Navy Star satellites. There are 21, 22, 23, 24. So answer is 22. Okay. So this is what? This is a GPS is a network following number of Navy Star satellites. So write down this one in your notebook. All of you write down this ninth one. The global positioning system is a network of following number of Navy Star satellites. Navy Star satellites. 22. Answer is 22. Okay. Then the first GPS satellites was launched in 1978. So you have written in your notes when the difference may come when it is. 19 कितना लिखा है? 78. तो 78 है क्या? पक्का? Okay. Okay. The answer is 1978. Okay. I will check. Okay. GPS is used for finding latitude, longitude, and altitude, speed, trip distance, all of the above. That is latitude, longitude, and altitude. Then GPS is signal consists of pseudo random code, ephemeris data, almanac data, all of the years. So GPS signal consists of ephemeris data. Okay, write down in your notebook. Just it is a signal consist. Okay, even I don't know what is this actually. Write down this one. We should study all this one. Pseudo random means what? Ephemeris what? Almanac data is. So this remote sensing, GIS and GPS are the advanced technology. Okay, everyone. Okay, next one. Dash segment consists of 24 satellites. Space consists of 24 satellites. See, Navy Star consists of how many satellites? Navy Star satellite consists of 22. Okay. Next, space satellites. Space consists of 24 satellites. Okay, write down this one. Dash segment consists of 24 satellites. Okay. Next one is satellite signals are read at Ascension, Diego Garcia, Quajalina, all of you. So this is these are I think some of the languages which are used in the GPS. So these all are the MCQs which are taken. What is GIS means? Geographic Information System. See, what is the difference? Next option में क्या है? Geological Information System. Is it correct? No, geological is it. Next, Geometric Information System. Is it correct? No. First one is geographic. Is correct answer. Then, green buildings are designed to reduce the carbon, use of non-conventional energy, use of locally available buildings. So answer is all. Okay. Passive remote sensing uses electromagnetic energy from passive and active. What is the difference? Active में क्या होता है and passive में क्या होता है? Energy is transferred from itself only. So from the satellite, energy will emit, and from the satellites again, from the object again it will capture back. Okay, so that is transmission and emission takes place from the satellite only. But in case of a passive, from the sunlight is used. Okay, see the passive remote sensing uses electromagnetic energy from sun as a source. Yes, so in the passive, sun as a source. Okay. In the active, satellite itself, own self. Is it clear? 17th one, all of you? Yes? Are you there? समझ में आया? 17th one?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then, green city concept encourages mass transportation, use of non-transportation, use of locally available materials, all. So green city concept comes under the green buildings. It is all of the above. Then electromagnetic energy moves with the velocity of light, sound, magnet, electricity. So electromagnetic energy moves with the velocity that of the light waves. Read on this one. All of you read on this one. Okay. So next 20th. In GIS, special information is depicted on the map by using point features, line features, polygon features. You have studied this one, correct? Na? It will give the output in the form of point feature, line feature, polygon feature, all of the above. Okay. Then GIS consists of user, data, software, and hardware. Answer is all of these. Then active remote sensing consists of energy from own source. Okay, itself only. Active energy, active remote sensing. Then eco-friendly construction resources, mass transportation, the same thing as that of the green building. Use of non-conventional energy, pollution-free city, all. Eco-friendly construction means what? Your green buildings. Green buildings are called as eco-friendly construction. Mass transportation means all the kinds of transportation. It means vehicle transportation. It means sometimes of railway transportation, sometimes airways transportation. Everything is available in that particular system. Okay, that is mass transportation. Green city concept, so same. GIS stands for Geographic Information System. Yes, these all are the remote sensing, GIS and GPS. Next, coming to the surveying part. Yes, anyone read this one? First one. Yes, read it. Surveying is the, yes, reader. Anybody read? पढ़ो ना, क्या है इधर? Yes, is it visible? All of you. What is there? Yes, anyone read it? Surveying is the art of determining the relative position of the point on, above, or beneath the surface of Earth with respect to each other by measurement of distance, directions, elevations. What are the correct options? Option A, all. Option B, only one is required. Option C, only two is required. Option D, only three is required. For doing the surveying, we want all the three. We are measuring distances, we are measuring directions, we are measuring elevations. So distances are also called as linear measurements. Directions are also called as angular measurements, and elevations are also called as linear measurements. Elevations, height. Okay, elevation of this slab with respect to this floor, how much? It is 4 meter or 5 meter. Then elevation of this floor with respect to this slab, it is 4 meter or 5 meter depth. ऐसे बोलने का. Then the main principle of surveying is to work from, see, option A, higher level to a lower level. Option B, lower level to a higher level. Option C, part to a whole. Option D, whole to a part. Option is whole to a part. See, why whole to a part? He has given the answer. The error which occurs while conducting the survey from whole to a part and part to a whole is, see what he is saying, he is speaking about the errors. Okay, the errors which occurs while conducting the survey from whole to a part. Our main principle is whole to a part. To part to the whole is same रहता क्या errors? No. In a whole to part, it is localized, and in part to a whole, it is expanded. Then in option C, in a whole to a part, it is expanded, and in the part to a whole, it is localized. Option D, both methods, error is localized. See, I have explained this one. Why we are doing a whole to a part? Why we are not doing part to a whole? See, this classroom is our survey area. I have to measure the entire area. So first, what I will do, I will fix the first primary control points at the corner point. So boundary fix करते. Boundary fix करने के बाद, what I will do, I will divide this into a triangles. What those triangles are called as? Equilateral triangles. What those triangles are called as? Yes, the entire area is divided into triangles. What those are called as? Yes, I am expecting answer from you. Look at this. Look at your note. Equal. There is a triangles. What those are called as? Which type of triangles? Yes, anyone? Look at your notes. In the surveying, I have dictated. Entire area is divided into triangles. No. Which type of triangles? Well-conditioned triangles. What is that one called as? What is that is called as? Well-conditioned triangles. Okay, अभी मैंने वही पूछते फिर UT टेस्ट में. Well triangles are dash. पता चल गया है? Okay. So entire area is divided into well-conditioned triangles. Then we have to measure each triangle. Then we have to submit total. So we have to divide from whole to a part. In case if you are measuring 10 centimeter is error, that is the entire. So that 10 centimeters we are dividing into a smaller, so that error is localized. It is decreased. In case if you do from the part to a whole, in the small part, if you are having a 1 centimeter error, if you are having 100 blocks, each block में 1 centimeter error आए तो 100 block में कितना होता है? 100 centimeter error आ जाएगा. So if you do the survey work from part to a whole, there is a expansion of errors. Okay, in order to decrease that one, we should do from whole to a part. Okay. If at all in a 100 plots, 100 block, if there is a 10 centimeter error, then we have to divide that into a smaller. Then each part is having only 0.1 centimeter error. So, for that reason, we are doing pole to a part. Then a point R can be located by two control points P and Q. Okay, measuring PR and QR from P and Q, measure the distance R and plot. Okay, see what he is saying. I will draw the diagram. आपको समझ में आएगा. Okay, a point R can be located by two control points. So there are two control points. Okay, so these are the two control points. This is P. This is it visible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is a P and Q. Okay, two control points. There is a one point. This is R point. I have to locate this point where it is with respect to this PQ line. I have to locate this one. So what are the measurements? From the second principle, how many measurements we want? From the two, at least two measurements. What are those? One is linear, both are angular. One is linear and one is angular. See, first one, measuring PR and QR. PR and QR. What are these two? Linear measurement, length हो गया? Yes. Measuring PR and QR from P and Q. Q, measure distance of R and plot. Okay. So ये दोनों measure करने का P and Q से. So you are plotted. Okay. First one. Then dropping a perpendicular from R on PQ means this is a P R. I have to drop the perpendicular. So how to drop the perpendicular? You know. So this is dropping the perpendicular on the line PQ. Okay, dropping the perpendicular from R on PQ, meeting the line S, measuring PS, SQ, and plot. So now from the R, I have dropped this one on the PQ. This point is called as S. Now I have to measure this PS, and now I have to measure this SQ, and we can locate this point. Okay. Then distance QR and alpha between QR and QP. Okay. So now I will remove this. Third one. What is saying? Third one. See, distance QR. Q to R distance is measured first. QR is measured. This distance is measured. Okay. And angle alpha between the QR and QP. QR and QP. This angle is measured. This is alpha, and QP is also measured, because I don't know this one. I know this QR is known. If you know alpha only, you can decide its length. Okay. Then what he is saying, a point R can be located by two control points P and Q. So option 1 is also correct. 1 से भी locate कर सकते, option 2 से भी locate कर सकते, option 3 से भी locate कर सकते. So your answer, both all the threes are correct. समझ में आ गए? This is your principle of second principle. कौन सा? Oh, that is a two linear measurements हो गया. दोनों linear measurement हो गया. One is linear and one more is angle. See. So first case में क्या कहोगे? First case में both are linear. You can अभी देखो. This is L is known. This angle ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो इधर से भी कर सकते हैं. This is L, this is alpha. This भी known सकते. समझ आया ना? Next, the object of survey is dash. Prepare the plan or map. Determine the relative positions of the points. Determine the position of points in a horizontal plane. Determine the position of the points in the vertical plane. So options are all are correct. Okay, all are correct. Objects of surveying. Then surveys which are carried out to provide a national grid of control for the preparation of the accurate maps of large areas is called as geodetic surveying, plain surveying, geographical survey, topographical survey. Answer is geodetic surveying. Okay, write down this one in your notebook. See, you should know the definition of each of the terms. Surveys which are carried out to provide national grid to control for preparation accurate maps of large areas are called as geodetic survey. And one more, geodetic survey is also one more. What is that one? One more definition. The spheroidal shape of the earth is taken into consideration. What is the difference between the plane surveying and geodetic surveying? In the plane surveying, we are considering earth as a plane. Okay, but for the smaller work, we are doing plane surveying. For the larger work, we are doing geodetic surveying. Yes? OB hai idhar. Okay. Next, 7th one. Surveys which are carried out to depict mountains, water bodies, woods, and other details are known as topographical surveying. Okay, so write down this one also. Survey which are carried out to depict mountains, water bodies, woods means forest area, woods, and other details are known as topographic surveys. Okay, topographical survey. Then hydrographic survey deals with the mapping of what is hydro? Water. The survey in which we are doing on water is called as hydrographic surveying. Hydrographic survey is heavenly bodies. Heavenly bodies मतलब क्या है? Heavenly bodies मतलब क्या है? Planets है ना? So study of planets and all is called as astronomical survey. So heavenly body astronomical survey is done for the heavenly bodies. Then hills, large water bodies. Yes, hydrographic is done for the large water bodies. Then map is a graphical representation of the features on small scale as projected on the horizontal surface. The survey which curvature of earth is taken into account is called as geodetic surveying. The effect of curvature of the earth surface is taken into account only if the extent of survey is more than, yes, in the geodetic survey, what is the more than 250 square kilometer. Okay, sometimes we will be in the given option, which is the nearest one. 100, 260, 195, 300. Nearest one is 260. So some textbook he has taken 250 square kilometer. In some textbook he has taken 260 square kilometer. Okay, here 260 is answer. So plane survey is conducted for the area less than 260 square kilometer. Then topographical survey. Topographical survey means what? To determine the natural features of the country, such as hill, valleys, rivers, nalas, lakes, forests, woods, etc. So in order to do the survey work, we are carrying topographical surveying. Then cadastral survey. What is this cadastral survey means? So this cadastral survey means to locate the boundary of the fields and houses. So all of you read on this one first. First read on the topographical surveying. Don't read the A and B. Topographical survey, उसका definition लिखो. Yes, all of you read on this one. Topographical survey and its definition. Definition is A and B. To determine the natural features of a country such as hills, valleys, rivers, nalas, lakes, woods, etc. Next line. Again, this topographical survey or definition. To survey for the features such as roads, railways, canals, buildings, towns, etc. Next, second one, cadastral survey. Cadastral survey, CADASTRAL, cadastral survey. Cadastral survey means to locate the boundaries of the fields houses, etc. Next, third one, city survey. So in your villages or in your taluka, there is a municipality. Okay, the people from the panchayat will come and they will do the survey work. So what they are doing? They are doing the city survey work. So what is that city survey? For laying out plots and construction of streets, water supply system, and sewers. What is sewers? Sewers means what? Sewers are the pipelines in which waste water will flow. Okay, in the water supply scheme, so there are two types of pipes. In the first pipe, water supply pipelines. Okay, water supply pipeline means your pure water will flow. Okay, sewers are these are the pipes in which waste water will flow. Okay, so this is for layout of the plots, construction of the streets, water supply, and sanitary system. Okay, in order to do this one, city survey will done. Then mine surveying, mine minerals, correct? So to determine underground mineral wealth, such as coal, gold, ores, etc. Coal, gold, ore. Okay, so all these definition you should remember. In the exam, he may give any of the one definition, and he may ask which type of surveying it is. Okay. Next, the error due to bad ranging. See, actually this is in the surveying chapter, but as your syllabus is concise, this is not there, but you should know. Error in bad ranging means that is location of the points in between the 2 points. Okay, so if I draw in the figure, this is a P point, this is a Q point. Okay, here there is a 1 point, here there is a 1 point. Okay, so I have to join this one. Okay, how to join this one? I don't have a thread. Okay, so or I want to measure the length between these two. How to measure on? I have to locate some point, internal points. Some of the internal points I have to locate. Okay, I have to locate the internal points, and I have to locate the internal points. Okay, so this locating the internal points between any two station point is called as ranging. The location of the intermediate points between any two station point is called as ranging. Okay, so actually that was not taken. So here there are two types of errors. One is positive error and one more is negative error. But here what in the error due to the bad ranging means whatever we are doing ranging, if it is a bad, then errors are accumulating. Cumulative error means errors are accumulating. If you are not measuring accurate distance, I will take this is P1, this is P2, this is P2, this is P3. Okay. If this error is not, this distance is accurately not measured kiya to, if there is a error is there. If here is also error is there. Here is also error is there. So errors are accumulating or dissimulating. Means errors are increasing or come हो रहे increasing. So when the errors are increasing, that is called as cumulative errors. If you are doing a bad ranging, then errors are increasing. That is positive errors. Okay, what is plane surveying? The curvature of the earth is taken into consideration. Is it correct? Is it correct? In the plane surveying, where this is wrong. Curvature of the earth is not taken into consideration. Yes, it is correct. The survey extend over a small area. Yes. Okay, that is also correct. Option is B and C. In the geodetic survey, the curvature of the earth is taken into consideration. Agree? Yes or no? Yes. So these all are the multiple choice questions from the entire unit number 4. Okay. So this completes entire your unit 1, 2, 3, 4 basics in civil engineering, BCME 1. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Okay. So all of you have to write your assignments and submit in the online. And students who have come here, you can submit your assignment towards me. Okay, in the civil department. Okay, I will be sitting. Come, all of you come and you can submit me. So that I will check your assignment. All 4 assignments you have to submit. Okay. Then one more. Multiple choice questions. I have given multiple choice questions. If time permits, we'll take one more class and I will discuss about the multiple choice questions. So from my side, I have given all the 100% completion of the syllabus. Is it clear, all of you? And
Yes.
students who have not shown your notebook, you have to submit your notebook also. When will you submit your notebook? Complete notebook. You can take still 2-3 days. Okay, and complete karo, submit karo. Okay, within 1 day also I will correct and double. क्या? हाँ. नहीं अभी आफ्टर आया है ना, सबमिट करो, मैं चेक करते हैं वापस देते हैं. Within 1 day I will give back. Okay, you can study there. Okay, you will stop now. I will take the attendance. Yes, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Yes. Roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Present, sir.
6, 7, 8. 7 is present. 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Yes, sir.
15, 16, Dheeraj. 17,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 29. Who is 29? ऑनलाइन में कनेक्ट हो गए क्या? हाँ, ऑनलाइन कनेक्टेड? ओके. 30, 31, 32, 33, 33, 34.
Yes, sir.
35, 36,
Present, sir.
37,
Yes, sir.
38,
Present, sir.
39, 39. Present. 40,
Present, sir.
41,
Present, sir.
42, 43, 43, 44, 45,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
46, 47, 47. Present. 48, 49, 50,
Present, sir.
50, 51, 52, 52,
Present, sir.
53,
Present, sir.
54,
Present, sir.
55,
Present, sir.
56, 56, 57, 57, 58,
Yes, sir.
59,
Present, sir.
60,
Present, sir.
61, 62, 62. Okay, absent numbers 2, let's concentrate. 2, 4, 11, 12, 15, 18, 20, 22, 24, 27, 42, 56, 57, 62. These are the absent numbers. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Just do you have any doubt? Yes. The people who are there in the online, you can submit your you have to make up a PDF of your notebook, okay, and you have to send it to me, to my WhatsApp mail ID. Okay, I will give my mail ID. कितना है? Yes, one thing we'll do. I will create one Google form, okay, and I will give you. So those who are there in the online, you can submit to me. Okay. Nahi to will do. You can do on Zoom meeting and will submit. You can show me. I will check it. That's all. Okay.
So 24 is present.
24 is present. Abhi. Okay. Ah. Okay. Almost most probably this will be the last class. Okay. If I get any class next, I will discuss about the MCQ questions. Yes. The people in the online, is it clear? Everything?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Okay. So just a minute. This is my mail ID. You can take it. Okay, I will type here. Okay. So this is my mail ID. You have, if you have any query, you can send it to me, or you can send through WhatsApp, or you can send through Telegram. Okay. Is it fine? Shall we
Yes, sir.
stop?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you all. Thank you for your cooperation.